Comparison of adverbs. What is an adverb? Adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverb tells us how, where, when, how much, and with what frequency. They add or change the meaning of verb, adjective, or adverb in a sentence. Like adjectives, adverbs can also be compared, and there are 3 degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. The positive degree. Look at the following sentence. The car is moving fast. The sentence simply describes how the car is moving. The car is not compared to any other thing. The adverb fast is said to be in the positive degree. Comparative degree of comparison. Look at the following sentence. The car is moving faster than the bus. This sentence compares 2 things, the car and the bus. So, the adverb faster is said to be in the comparative degree because it compares 2 things. Superlative degree of comparison. Look at the following sentence. The aeroplane is moving the fastest of all. Now, in this sentence, we compare 3 things, the car, the bus, and the aeroplane. So, the adverb fastest is said to be in the superlative degree. Now, how to form the degree of comparison of adverbs? If the adverb is of 1 syllable, then the comparative degree is formed by adding er to the positive degree, and the superlative degree is formed by adding est to the positive degree. Let us see the table here. Loud is the positive degree, and if we want to change this to comparative degree, we will add er to form the comparative degree. So, it becomes louder. Now, to form the superlative degree, we have to add est to the positive degree, loud. So, we get the superlative degree, loudest. So, long is the positive degree. We add er to the word long. So, we get the comparative degree. And to change it to superlative degree, we have to add est to the positive degree, long. So, when we add est to the word long, we get the superlative degree of comparison. Now, soon, sooner, and soonest. Again, er is added to the comparative degree and est is added to the superlative degree. Quick, quicker, and quickest. Er is added to the comparative degree, so it becomes quicker, and est is added to the superlative degree, so it becomes quickest. If the adverb ends in ly, then the comparative degree is formed by adding more before the positive degree. The superlative degree is formed by adding most before the positive degree. Now let us see the table. Carefully is the positive degree. So to change it to comparative degree, we will add more before the word carefully. And to form the superlative degree, we will add the word most before the word carefully. Bravely is the positive degree. So comparative degree will be formed by adding more before the word bravely. So it becomes more bravely. And to the superlative degree, we will add most. So it becomes most bravely. Wisely, more wisely, and most wisely. Gently, more gently, and most gently. So now let us see the example here. Beautifully is the positive degree. To change it to comparative degree, we will add more before the word beautifully. So it becomes the comparative degree more beautifully. To change it to superlative degree, it becomes most beautifully because we have added most in front of the word beautifully. Sheena paints beautifully. Here, beautifully is in the positive degree. Reena paints more beautifully than Sheena. So here we are comparing Reena with Sheena. So here more beautifully is the comparative degree. Neena paints most beautifully of all. So here Neena is compared to more than two things. So it is the superlative degree most beautifully. If the adverb ends in ly, then the comparative degree is formed by adding more before the positive degree. So children, you have to note that the adverb early is an exception to this rule. So to form the comparative and superlative degree of the word early, we will add er to the word early to form the comparative degree, and est is added to form the superlative degree. Some adverbs form the comparative and superlative degree in an irregular way. They use entirely different words to show degree. They do not follow any fixed rule. The following table gives the list of the adverbs which form their comparative and superlative degree. Now you can see the table below here. Badly becomes worse in the comparative degree and worst in the superlative degree. Well becomes better in the comparative degree and best in superlative degree. Much becomes more, and in superlative degree it becomes most. Little becomes less in the comparative and least in the superlative degree. Now, we have to remember that the comparative degree is used to compare only two persons, places or things, whereas the superlative degree is used to compare three or more persons, places or things. Let's see the example here. The lion ran fast. So here there is no comparison. So the fast is in the positive degree. The leopard ran faster than the lion. So here leopard is compared to the lion. So the word faster is in the positive degree. The cheetah ran fastest of the three. So here cheetah is compared to all. So the word fastest is in the superlative degree.